Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean a laptop. First you come in here. Definitely want to get some soap. I use dishwashing soap instead of hand soap. You gotta get the outside real nice. Then you get the inside, or sorry, the back side real nice. And you just gonna wanna spray it off. Yeah, you use the front, spray it off. Then you definitely wanna make sure that the keyboard's clean. It's like that's used a lot. So spray it off a bit first. And then again, you'll apply some soap. Spray that off. And there you go. In under 1 minute, you just got to dry it off and you're good to go.